minute. I just got busy with school year and was focusing on other things. But today is my first day without any 8th grade classes or any type of activity. 6th and 7th graders still going, but we have 8th grade recognition later tonight. So they get the day off, and what I'm going to be doing is working with one more student that needs to come in and work on some missing work so they can pass my class. And then I'll kind of take you through classroom cleaning and what that looks like shutting down my classroom for the summer. This is the first year in this room, so we'll see kind of how things work. I might need a couple more bins, so I might need to go to Walmart and get a couple of those things, but otherwise it's really just going to be wiping down some stuff and putting things away, taking stuff home, and all of that fun jazz. And thankfully we have our new house all set up, ready to go, so I have an office there, and I'll just kind of bring some stuff over and just transfer and have a nice little setup for the summer. So welcome back, and let's have some fun today. Nice. It should be a chill, relaxing day, so I'm excited to teach you. Okay, so I just checked in all these books that were in 8th grade lockers, and I'm going to put them back on the shelves. One thing I definitely want to do is get stickers for all of the books and color coordinate them so they're easily able to be put back on the shelf in the correct genre, because right now I know that they're all over the place. So that's what I'm going to do next. So one thing I need to do is get more room or another bookshelf. I don't like, and it's really hard to have books in bins vertically in the shelves, because then students don't see the books in the back, and I just don't have enough room on my shelves for all of the books. So I'm gonna need to figure something out, or use my counter, which I like to be kind of open and clean, as a bookshelf. I did that during the year, I guess, when we were in a unit. I put those books kind of featured on the counter, so I guess I could do that too, but it's a beautiful problem to have, but I need a solution too, so it doesn't look like a mess. The bookshelves don't look like a mess, because if it looks better, I think the kids will treat it better rather than just kind of having everything strewn across the place. So I'd like to try and figure that out today or tomorrow. Okay, so I just have this stack pile of things to finish, and then I'll be all set. I'm going to go to the Dollar Tree and pick up some sheets. My principal found a bookshelf for me to use, so I'm just going to put the books that would go on there on my counter for now, and then cover them with sheets so they don't get all dusty. And then I'm going to go drop off a card for our local librarian for being so wonderful, and then including some money for books that were lost over the school year that students brought in, which is very responsible and admirable of them as well. So I will run those errands in the next little bit here. I'm going to try and get through that counter first, just so that's done. sorry if you can hear screaming. The health teacher is having a blast. I've got this Logitech plug-in, was in the lost and found, and I have no idea whose it is, so I'm going to toss this. And then I have in my cupboard school supplies, so I'm going to put this with that. And then we have just folders for when stuff needs to be brought down to the office. We put it all in there. I have STAR activities and worksheets, and this type of stuff can just go in my file cabinet now, in my file drawer, I guess. So I will put this together there, which gives me an open bin here. I like using these at home, actually, so I'm going to take that home with me. Two more books I will put away. My classroom library with the Libib app. Hit plus, scan barcode, scan the barcode, and then that'll add it to my library. I don't remember if Carry On is added or not, so I'm going to search for that, and it's not, so I'm going to add that as well. That way I can just keep track of it. So I can put these books away as well. Okay. I do that all day long. Alright, so I went and dropped off the rest of these books to the public library, and I gave the librarian a card, and it was very nice. He was there, so I got to give it to him in person, which was very nice. How many times can I say nice? So now I'm going to go in. I brought everything out to my car that I need to, so I just need to bring the cart back upstairs and pick up my daughter, get us ready, and then recognition is tonight. So I'll go over my room real quick with you once I get back upstairs, and that'll kind of be it. It was a very chill day, and it was very nice to just kind of sit in my room and be productive and get things cleaned and organized. So thumbs up for that. Good morning. So it is the next day in the morning. I figured I would just come in right now and show you. We have, so I teach 8th grade and they're already done. So 7th grade is doing some Minute to Win It games today, which I'm going to help out with. Otherwise, I'm going to spend my time just helping other teachers cleaning and organizing their rooms so they're all set to go. We have checkouts tomorrow for our classrooms, and I'll just do whatever I can because I was very fortunate enough yesterday to be able to finish everything that I wanted to do. So I will show you my classroom now. So as you walk in, this is what it looks like right now. I just put everything kind of together. So this is my door, and then at the back of the door, I have all of my anchor charts hung there. Chairs stacked, and then along this way, my ottoman. This is emptied out. I think I should be able to just leave my cords. I think they're not going to be used for anything over the summer. I've got books here. I'm gonna, I think, bring tomorrow morning when I come in to check out just a old sheet and put them over the top so they don't get dusty. I have these chairs stacked up here. And anchor charts, I just want to lay flat. There's really no better place to put them than just on a table. Here's another bookshelf, same thing with the sheet on top. And then here I have all of my more comfortable seats. And we'll meet over the summer maybe 1 or 2 times to go over curriculum. So I just wanted to leave this as kind of a nice sitting area with the electric plug-in there so we can all be on our laptops. Whiteboard and bulletin board all clean. My desk is all totally clean all the way around. And then this is my counter, with some more books that I'll put a sheet over, a bin of books, and I'll have to turn my laptop in later today and return those things to the office. That's my emergency binder and then first aid kit. my cupboards, I worked on, oh my goodness, this year for sure. So I have everything relatively organized in here already, all set to go for whatever I might need. School supplies, loose leaf and different colored paper. So that's pretty organized. I'm comfortable with where that is. Cleaning supplies and games. That's pretty good. I feel good about that. And then I had my kind of like prayer station, so I put all that stuff in a bin here. I've got kind of my touch-up stuff. This was drying yesterday. This should be dry now, so I'm gonna close that. I have extra planners, planner books, notebooks. I use the bucket for when we need to draw topics or something like that. So that's that. This was on my desk. I'm just gonna leave that in there so it doesn't get dusty. And same thing, I had a little table with the electric kettle with that. So that's my classroom as it is right now, all set for the summer. Clean, fresh slate, so when I come in the fall, I can, as a rejuvenated educator, be ready to be creative and jazz it up and make it my own again. I want to be more creative and do stuff on here too, but for now we're just going to take a little vacation back to Minnesota and just enjoy spending some time with family for a little bit. So I hope you enjoy the weather wherever you are and have a great rest of your day. Bye.